Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's training. Today, I want to show you how to make chapa on Jumia JForce, extra chapa. So, my question today is how you can make more cash on Jumia or through Jumia. Number one, these are some of the ways that you can make more cash on Jumia. Number one is you can open a pickup station or order point. At this pickup station, sign up as a Jumia authorized order and collection point. Then orders will be delivered at your shop or salon or house or anything that you will open. Then there is Jumia Mall. On Jumia Mall, you place orders on behalf of your customer and earn up to 4% in direct commission within Nairobi. Then those delivered outside Nairobi, you can earn up to 7%. Next, it's Jumia Prime. Jumia Prime is a program of subscribing free. On Jumia Prime, you subscribe free delivery within chosen pickup stations. Like if your customer subscribes, you earn 200 to 600 for every new subscription. Share your referral code to your customers, either on WhatsApp, on Facebook, or all social medias. Then the referral code is found on JForce app. Another way is through Jumia Pay. When you use Jumia Pay, you can earn up to 50% cashback on airtime, internet, electricity, and water bill payments. Next is Jumia Food. On this, 5% commission on all Jumia Food orders, including groceries from Carrefour, restaurants, butchery, water, pharmacy, gas, and alcohol purchases. Share your referral link with your customer. Find your referral link in your email. It was sent, but some of you did not see, so kindly go back and check. Another way is through brand bonuses. Brands that are found on Jumia, like Lyft, you earn up to 7%. Lyft, it's a type of cigarette, but doesn't have tobacco. You can earn up to 7%. We have some brands like Von. So, brand contribution, earn extra bonus from selling products from your favorite brands monthly, and you will get extra chapa. So, another thing is by recruiting your team members. If you recruit team members, you train them, then you earn up to 1.2% in direct commission from their commission. So make sure your team section is filled up with your team members or your recruits, and make sure you train them how to earn. Recruitment is done manually, no referral links. You just request their details, fill in the recruitment form, then make sure they also fill the same form before logging in to their Jumia app. Then you will get them straight to your team. Okay, don't forget that. Then lastly, on this last page, I'll show you numbers to contact or how to contact JForce easily. There's that helpline. As you can see it's just right there. You have the email jforce@jumia.co.ke, then WhatsApp group, WhatsApp number general. Then we have a Facebook group, but I can advise you to use Facebook or Twitter. It has a faster response than other platforms like Helpline. Okay, thank you for watching. I've been your host, Humphrey Philip. Remember, the content is prepared and brought to you by Maina Masha. Keep watching, subscribe. Good day.